Morning, Olive Branch. Wednesday morning, nice outside, upper 50s, and mostly clear skies right now. We're going to see a lot of sunshine today, although we will have a chance of some afternoon thunder showers. Let's take a look at your radar right now. We really don't see anything in our area. A few showers are developing down near Pine Bluff and Stuttgart. So I think we're just going to see some pop-up showers mainly today, more likely during the afternoon. But right now it's 58 degrees here in Old Town, 58 in Plantation Lakes, 59 out here in Deerfield, 55 down in Bridgetown. So middle to upper 50s, primarily upper 50s in the area. And we're going to have a fairly rapid rise in temperatures today. We have this front that's draped just to our north, and yesterday I really thought that this was going to be what we call a backdoor cold front that was going to push through our area and then move its way back to the north as a warm front. I really think it's just going to stall right there, and after it stalls, then it will move to the north as a warm front, but we're to the south of it, so I think our chances of rainfall a little bit less today in the afternoon than we thought yesterday. But here you got this big area of clouds out in Texas and Arkansas and Oklahoma. Those are going to move through the area today, so we're going to have periods of sunshine, periods of clouds. This morning I think is our best chance to see sunshine, and then this afternoon we're going to be socked in with mostly cloudy skies and chances of afternoon thunder showers due to just the normal heating of the atmosphere. And front will dive out of the upper Midwest and through the Rockies, and that will be approaching us on Thursday, and that's going to enhance our rain chances on Thursday. And then Friday's the big, I guess, the big day for weather for our area. This cold front is going to move its way through Friday afternoon. The National Weather Service has placed all of this area, all of the Mid-South, in a slight risk for severe weather zone. For Friday afternoon, thunderstorms will race ahead of the cold front during the afternoon, and some of those could be strong. The primary concern will be hail and gusty winds with that front. Friday's going to be a breezy day, 15-20 mile per hour winds in the morning, and especially with thunderstorms as they come through. Then they clear out Friday night, and we have a very nice weekend to talk about. So here's that forecast. I think it's going to be a 30% chance of showers this afternoon, convective showers in the afternoon. High today 79 degrees, low 62. By the way, we made it up to 81 yesterday, warmest day of the year. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, 30% chance of showers at just about any time because that cold front's going to be close enough to us to excite the atmosphere. High again, 79 degrees, low 64. And then Friday again, 70% chance of showers, thunderstorms. Some could be strong, mainly in the afternoon. 74 is your high, and then we drop off to 42 degrees for a low Friday night. But look at the weekend, folks. Look at that weekend. Saturday, on the cool side, you'll need a jacket if you're outside because the high is only going to be 61. That means most of the day is spent in the upper 50s. A low 43. Sunday, nearly perfect. Not quite Samtastic, but nearly perfect. High 66 degrees, low 51. And then regular springtime showers enter the picture again Monday and Tuesday. About 30% chance each day, warming as we go to 77 by Tuesday. Thanks for watching. I'm Sam Reichard with OBTV Network.